Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Makai, owner and creator of Made by Makai, and on today's video we're going to be making vegan sushi. The first thing you're going to need to do is clean and boil a pot of sushi rice. I use regular jasmine rice, but sushi rice will work best for this. Then you're going to pour some of your rice vinegar like I just did and some salt and mix that all together. Now there's many different ways to make sushi rice, but I just used the most basic ingredients, which was rice vinegar and salt. The next thing you're going to do is make your spicy mayo. Now I used some Follow Your Heart veganaise and I just added my own type of seasonings in there. Honestly, I wish I had looked up a sushi mayo recipe. I did, but I kind of was too lazy and was like, I'm just going to make my own mayo. Which this is a very good spicy mayo, but it honestly not built for sushi. And I just put it in a squeeze bottle. The next thing you're going to do is cut up your vegetables. The first vegetable I'm cutting up is cucumber. I cut them up a pretty decent size. I would recommend cutting them smaller than I cut them just because it just makes it a little easier to digest. So I ended up using cucumbers, avocado, and carrots for this recipe. And I love avocados. I eat avocados basically almost every day. I definitely am an avocado toast queen. So cutting avocados isn't hard. Avocados really just range from super ripe to kind of sort of ripe, but this was a good avocado. The next thing you're going to need is a bamboo mat, and you're going to want to wrap your bamboo mat in saran wrap, cling wrap, whatever you call it. Wrapping the bamboo mat with cling wrap helps prevent sticking. Honestly, I feel like this helped a lot and especially helped with cleaning up because all the rice and stuff wouldn't be sticking on top of the mat. It's just sticking on the cling wrap. And you want to make sure that the green side has the flat side of the cling wrap because that's the side that you're going to be rolling your sushi up in. And the back side, it don't got to be perfect. But, you don't want it to be too messed up because we want nice, clean rolls of sushi here. The next thing you're going to need is some nori. I got this from my local Asian store. The nori has a rough and a shiny side. You're going to want to place the shiny side down and get you a bowl of water like I have in the upper right corner because this rice gets super sticky. The water helps the rice not stick to your hands as you mold it out. Now this part is not really hard. You just want to mold it out and leave an inch at the top and about a half an inch of space at the bottom. Now at first I didn't have enough rice, so I added more rice and then it ended up being a little bit too much rice for me. But honestly, it wasn't a big deal. Honestly, if you like a lot of rice, you can add more rice. I just feel like I like more vegetables than rice for this recipe. You're just going to make sure your rice is an even layer. And then I added a small indentation to put my vegetables in. I started with the carrots first. After the carrots, I put in my cucumber. And of course, after the cucumber, I put in my avocado. So you're going to want to grab the end of the mat and work gently. Hold in all the vegetables so it doesn't fall out. And you're just going to slowly take your time and roll it over. And you're going to use the bamboo mat to help you mold the sushi into a roll. Honestly, this was very easy. This was not hard at all. But if you have nails like myself, just be kind of careful because I did make a little nick inside the nori. But it came out pretty amazing for a first time sushi roller. Then all you're going to do is slice your sushi up. And that's a wrap. And here we have it, some vegan sushi. Honestly, this turned out amazing. I put the little spicy mayo in a squeeze bottle, and of course, you can't forget the wasabi. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with someone who'd love, and subscribe. See you next Thursday.